Let's talk a little bit more about mini implants versus regular sized implants. By consensus, mini implants are generally considered to be anything below 2.5 millimeters in diameter. Because of the difference between the diameters of mini versus regular sized implants, their indications for use are also going to be different. Mini implants and regular sized implants differ in terms of their diameter and in terms of the cost as well. Oftentimes, mini implants can be half the cost of a regular sized one. With all these advantages of mini implants, people might ask, why are we even bothering with the regular sized implants anyway, if they are faster to place and cheaper in cost? Regular sized implants are larger, therefore they are stronger and better suited for restoring cases where more function is needed, such as in the case of back teeth or molars. They are also ideally suited for restoring a full arch of missing teeth if we are thinking of doing something fixed like an implant bridge. Mini implants can be used in orthodontics. They can also be used to restore small missing teeth, provided they are not too large to support the load. They are also ideal for situations where the ridge is very thin and the amount of bone that you have remaining is very little. In that kind of situation, if we are looking to do an overdenture or a snap-on kind of denture, then mini implants would be ideal. However, mini implants also do have their drawbacks. Because they are so narrow, they are not able to support a regular sized tooth, such as molars or premolars even. Because of the fact that they are so narrow, they are ideal for situations where we only need them temporarily, such as orthodontics, when we are putting them just to pull teeth in a certain direction. They are also good for restoring teeth where space is very limited, such as a lower front tooth which is missing. A regular size implants in situations like that might end up bumping into the roots of the neighboring teeth. However, one downside about mini implants is because they are so narrow, they cannot take very high forces. They are also not ideal for restoring a full arch fixed restoration because the forces on those bridges are going to be a lot higher than they are on dentures. This is an important consideration if you are thinking of creating an overdenture or a snap-on denture, because with a regular size implant, there is an option available further down the road if you choose to upgrade from something removable to something fixed. In short, both mini implants and regular sized implants are good treatment options, but it is important to know which is the correct one for your situation.